I mua I te rangatahi wānanga reo.
Te mauri o tēnei tūpuna, te mauri o tēnei araki, te mauri keironga, te mauri keiranga, te mauri kāwata, te whaiā, te ao marama, uhi, wero, tau mai te mauri, Alright, so I'm just gonna grab my, everyone knows what this is, he kupu Māori. Kuta, kuku. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna scrape away a bit of the kiri or the skin of the raureko, and it's gonna reveal a yellowy flesh which we use. You can actually already see this is where I come and harvest. So you can see here that the plant's healed from the last time I was here. We do follow tikanga. We have quite a strict tikanga when it comes to harvesting. You know, in order for us to come back, we need to look after the plant. So after we've taken the kiri away, we need to put a band-aid on it basically. And so we take mud or dirt from the base and we stick it on the saw. Gathered harakeke before? Do we cut the rito? Do we know what the rito is? The rito is the youth, or the is the one in the middle.
Oh, we cut the koro and the nani.
Yeah, that's the one. So these are the children of Tani and Hine Pākoti. So that's who we'll be gathering from today. So this is the pepe. Te taha Māui me te taha matai, you've got your awhirito or your mātua, your parents. So that's your family that you want to keep. On the sides, you've got your tupuna or your grandparents, your koro and your kuia, and then you've got your greats and so on. What we want to do, again, leave the mum and the kids, the baby and the parents, pull this aside, the koro, and then cut downwards, and so you should get a plant like that. Oh, row. And so the same again on this side. We're going to cut down. So it's really important to have a healthy pā. So if we don't use it, the pā usually gets overgrown, disease, and we can't make anything with it. So really important we look after it. Any questions? No?
These ones have got little rookie tabs. I'll get you to chuck the water on for the spaghetti.
This is broken thing.
There's 2 spaghettis for 20 people.
Yeah. All day shopping. Say ça.
Put some hot water on, please. I'll put some water on to get hot. And then put the pasta in it when it's hot.
What is
this? Doing?
Yeah.
Just like what?
As much Māori as possible.
Me tunu kai mātou. Te mea pākete poromehia.
What was your favourite part of the day?
The morning.
Dinner.
Yeah.
Trust. And dinner.
Mine was boiled bank. The boiled bank.
Yeah,
That was cool. Wait, we all have the same people how? Why don't we just say some one thing each?
Yeah, go.
Yeah.
Okay, ko mga tapu te mga.
Ko mai tahi te awa. Oh, ko tainui te oka. Ko whakatū te mara. Ko ngāti ko ati te iwi.
Ko ka mona lia.
What are you guys looking forward to
Going to the island!
You're the only friend I need. You're the only friend I need. Share beds like little kids. Share beds like little kids. And laugh until our ribs get tired. Laugh until our ribs get tired. But that will never be enough. But that will never be enough. You're the only friend I need. You're the only friend I need. Share beds like little kids. Share beds like little kids. And laugh until our ribs get tired. Laugh until our ribs get tired. But that will never be enough. But that will never be enough.
And just get in the middle, sit down. Don't be moving around the vessel. It'll just make the skipper nervous. This is an unusual carry for him. He's usually loading vehicles, not people, and certainly not younger kids and teenagers. Kapai? Yeah. Remember, older kids, help us with the younger ones to not be moving around.
Oh, said it's true. Can feel love, can you feel it too? Can feel it all. Oh, said it's true. Can feel the love, can you feel it too? Feel it all. Oh, said it's true. Can feel the love, can you feel it too? Can feel it all. Feel it all. Oh, said it's true. Can feel the love, can you feel it too? Can feel it all.
E whai ake nei I te rangatahi wānanga reo.
I keep sailing till we're on the same land.